Hey superstars, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. You can start calling me the bedroom billionaire. Listen, in this video here, I'm going to show you real quickly how to earn up to $19,000, $19,612 just by typing domains, okay? And if I give you value, if you like the personality, if you like the value that I'm giving you, you can always sub to my channel and like the video only if I give you results. And let me show you the money. Here's the money right here. As you can see, it's $19,000 here. And I get a check every month just by typing domains. That's crazy, right? You see this money right now? And this is just extra income for me. It pays the Rolls Royce notes, right? 4,000, 8,000, 8,000, 9,000. And if you think I'm lying to you, look at this. I'm going to refresh it. Look at that. I'm going to refresh. Let me refresh this page real quick, so you guys will see that this is not a screenshot. This is payment history here. And as you can see, these are all the months that I'm getting paychecks every single month just by typing domains. And I know you think it's weird. I know you think it's silly, but listen, if you really pay attention to this video, you're going to find yourself typing domains, following this. As long as you're willing to put in the work, you can eventually make this type of money, okay? All right, cool. First step is this. I'm gonna go very step by step. I want you to go to GoDaddy.com, okay? And listen, you should do this with me. Don't be silly and listen to the video and watch the video and not have a laptop right next to you going through the steps, okay? And it's very simple to do. This is crazy. Like last year, I think I did like $100,000 of extra income. This is why I buy so many cars. This is why I buy so many shoes and clothes. And I mean, it's insane because once you get the money, once you start making money online, listen, it gets very easy. Does that make sense? Are you with me? Smash the like button, okay? I'm always gonna say smash the like button because obviously I want you to smash the like button. Even if you don't like me, can you just smash the like button if you don't mind? Okay? Let's go! Now can you smash it? Okay, look, go to GoDaddy.com. Get yourself a free account, okay? GoDaddy basically is a place where you purchase domains, okay? And listen, you don't need to purchase any domain at all, but just get yourself a GoDaddy account, okay? And as you can see here, once you have your account, they have your name. My name is Wesley here. And then you'll basically go in the portal here. You click on GoDaddy here. Okay, hold on, let me see. Let me go back. Here go my products here. Okay. Is everybody with me so far? Okay. This is what you should see here. Okay. I'm sure many of you already have a domain. That's great. But you need to have yourself a domain account like this. Okay. Have a GoDaddy free account. These are all my domains. I have many domains. I have about 82 domains because those are companies that I make money online with. Okay. You want to scroll down to where it says reseller. Okay. You're going to become a reseller. Let me show you what that looks like as the finished product. Please listen close. You see this right here? That says wesleydomains.com. You see that? That's wesleydomains.com. Now, obviously, I'm not creating domains. Obviously, I'm not the guy that has a pool of domains sitting in my back pocket. But great thing for GoDaddy, I mean, that is me with the Lamborghini here. Great thing about GoDaddy, they'll allow you to be a reseller. And I'm going to show you. All you have to do is type them. Type domains, you make the money, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just don't worry, okay? So you can see I got this site created here. So say I want somebody to put their name below. Say if we do makemoney.com, okay? See if I want to buy that domain. And this is what people are gonna do on your site, because I'm gonna show you how to create it, and I'm gonna show you how to it's really easy to do, okay? See that? makemoney.com, or I can say I like Wesley.com. Okay, see that? I like Wesley.com here. And you got to imagine thousands of people. I get thousands of people every day that come to this website, and it's very easy to do it. And I'm gonna show you this back technique, this back door that no one's doing, but well, I'm doing it because I live and breathe this stuff. Okay, you see this? I like Wesley.com is available in a container cart. They click on something like this. And guys, feel free to go to wesleydomains.com and get your domain. It's up to you. All right. You go here and basically you click the button, continue to cart, and you basically, you see how it's loading right here? And they purchase and you just make money like this. Okay. See, under the reseller account, let me show you the money. If I go to manage here, I just want to prove to you so you'll know that I'm making money here, okay? My internet is a little slow today. I don't know why, okay? Maybe I didn't pay the bill. See the payment history, okay? And as you can see here, this is, and if I do all time here, and I click on view report, and this is all the money. Can everybody see that? This is all the money I've been earning, like every month, you know, 19,000, 12,000, 18,000, 12. And it's just easy money just by typing domains, okay? Now listen, so let's go back here, all right? Let's step back for a second. The first step you need to do is create yourself a reseller account. Now, many of you might say, Wesley, I don't know how to create a reseller account because I don't know nothing about the internet. All I know is how to watch YouTube videos and how to get excited when you say, let's go! Wesley, that's all I know, okay? So listen, it's really simple. You don't need to be a technical person to do this. Listen, once you get your GoDaddy account, okay, once you get that just set up, and that's just by just setting it up. You don't have to do anything. You just enroll, right? And then you want to do a reseller account here. What you want to do is this. You want to go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. You want to type in the words web developer because basically you don't know how to do it. Like me, I didn't do that. Like this site right here, you think I actually, let me show you something. Hello. You see the site here? You think I created this? No. I mean, I can, but I don't have time. I got 2 kids, right? Got friends, got things to do, got many companies here, so I can't do all this stuff, okay? So I'm gonna show you what I did. You go to Fiverr.com, you type in web developer. Is everybody with me here, okay? Like imagine making $19,000 every single month just by typing domains. It's crazy, making money online with ease, where everybody else is struggling here. Only because Wesley Virgin is just giving you the goods and he's very transparent. He's a little crazy, but he just gives you the goods. You hire somebody here, get somebody cheap. Don't hire expensive people on this website. Can everybody see this? I'm using my iPhone because the government, they're after me. I'm just kidding. Listen, so you see this? 15 bucks, 10 bucks. Hire one of these guys, and this is all you do. Say, hey, my man, what I want you to do is create me an a GoDaddy affiliate account on GoDaddy. That's all I need you to do. And then you go to wesleydomains.com because you want him to model. Okay, this site right here did $100,000 last year. Okay, so what you do is you tell your Fiverr guy, say, hey, you know this guy by the name of Wesley $1 Billion Virgin? If you don't know him, you need to go to YouTube and watch all his videos. This guy's insane. Then you go to wesleydomains.com. You say, hey, make my site look like this. Does that make sense? Just make. So you gotta look. It don't have to be. It could be you with a Lamborghini. Okay. It'd be a picture of your beautiful face right here, right? You don't have to be half naked like me. You know, I just like showing my body because that's the reason why I work out anyway, right? But anyway, look, you see all this stuff right here? You just tell that guy to do this. He just does it for you. He does everything, right? It's very simple to do, all right? And he's going to configure everything in your GoDaddy account. He's going to make sure that GoDaddy is going to pay you. Then all you need to do is this. You make sure you put in your banking information, right? In the settings, you see this right here? Put your banking information in there. And then voila, you're going to have your own site. It could be KarenDomains.com. It can be AshleyDomains.com. It could be RickDomains.com. Doesn't even matter. Now listen, you do have to purchase yourself a domain. Now, this is what I would do. If you go to wesleydomains.com, I need one person to put their first and last name below. One person right now that's listening to my voice, even on replay, comment your first and last name below. I'm going to show you some magic here, okay? And listen, just wait. I'm going to show you how to get a ton of people to your site. I've been doing this for like the last 2 years. Very easy here, okay? All right, so say we got Kmar Glover, right? Watch this. Now, everybody wants to brand themselves. First of all, if you're not branding yourself, you're stupid. On the online industry right now, this is a tech world. You need to be branding yourself online, so that means you need to have your own domain, period, of your name. So if you see here, we're going to see if that's available right now, okay? As you can see, everything is a bit slow here. Come on. Let's type in this guy's name. You type in your first and last name here. We're going to see if that's available. Look at that, KmarGlover.com. You better get that immediately because somebody's going to take your name and your domain because they sell stuff like this. So listen, see this right here? Or you can do KmarDomains.com, right? kmardomains.com. Like, all of you need to buy your domain today. Does that make sense? Like, you need to buy it today. You can either go to GoDaddy, you can go to wesleydomains.com. It's up to you, okay? You see that right there? You need to get the domain today. Just like I got wesleydomains.com, whatever your first name is, ashleydomains.com. Does that make sense, everyone? Is everybody with me? Smash the like button. All right, like labootydomains.com, Pookie and RayRayDomains.com, I need moneydomains.com. Whatever your first name is, just to make it simple, and go ahead and purchase that today. Do it right now. Does that make sense? You can do it at GoDaddy, or you can do it right now at wesleydomains.com now, okay? Once you have that, that's what you give to the Fiverr guy, okay? Because the Fiverr guy has to have a domain to work with. Does that make sense? Then that domain, if you look here, if you go back to GoDaddy right here, is everybody with me? Smash the like button if you're with me, okay? Just want to make sure. See all these domains? Your domain is going to show up right here, okay? It's going to show up right here. And then you tell your guy to do the configurations, okay? Now listen, I know what you guys thinking. You say, Wesley, I love you so much because you're giving away this free game for free. You could be selling this. I truly believe that service leads to value. Service leads to greatness. And I do have a course, right? Of course, on the description. I have a course to sell you, but I want to give you value before you buy the course, okay? Because make a couple of dollars, make a couple of hundred first, then buy the course so you can make $1 million this year, okay? And listen, now this is the most important part of this process. Let me turn this camera on. Now look, hey, look at me. Okay, don't look at this. This is my energy healing thing. Okay, stop. Listen, this is the most important part of the process here. Okay, so you have to really pay attention to this last part. And don't look at my little hick. We'll talk about that later, you know what I mean? I'm a desirable man. Listen, follow very close and pay attention to what I'm about to show you here. The average person, they screw up this part, okay? This is how you get the traffic to the site, okay? Listen, keep it for yourself. This is how you get tons of people to purchase, so you'll see that money in your bank account, okay? But shh, don't tell anybody. Promise? Pinky swear? Come on. All right, look, let me show you. All right, look, so this is how I get a ton of people to wesleydomains.com. So it's a couple of ways to do this. First way is this. You basically go to Instagram, okay? So I'm gonna go to my Instagram account. Wesley Virgin IG, okay? And there we go, Wesley $1 Million Virgin there. Is everybody with me? Go ahead and smash the like button because I know you guys are excited. Look. So I got 1.2 million followers, whatever, right? You go to your followers on Instagram, and what you do is you reach out to everybody, and you do research. So what you do is, this is what I do. Say if it's someone like, let me see if I can find somebody. So this is my last video. Oh, really? I can't even see anything, huh? All right, I need somebody to put their Instagram account below. I need somebody to put their first and last name, okay? First and last name below, okay? So I give example, just like we did before with Kmart. So as you can see, this guy, he didn't buy his domain, right? Okay, so say if his name is Kmart Banks. So we type in kmartbanks.com. You got to do research, right? Hit the word search. Then what you want to do is you want to, oh, look at that's available. So what you do is you reach out, say, hey, you reach out to the Instagram person, say, hey, I see that kmartbanks.com is available. Are you aware that somebody is trying to buy your domain, like your first and last name? I'm pretty sure that you want to brand yourself. And if you do, if you want to grab it, here's the domain right here. Okay? Does that make sense? Are you guys still with me here? Okay? So that's what you do. You reach out to the people. Okay? What's going on? Can you guys still hear me? Or is everybody here? I don't know what's going on here. All right, so the thing is, you reach out to this person here, like Kmart Banks, right, in your Instagram, and you basically say, hey, I have this domain. If you want to grab it, here it is right here, okay? I'm not sure if this is still recording, but if it's not, I'll do it again, okay? And what you do is you just reach out to everybody on Instagram. Like everybody on Instagram, you do your research, their first and last name. I make a ton of money by doing this because the average person, they don't have their first and last name. Does that make sense? So you continue to do this over and over and over again to start making money. Now listen, if you guys can do this, I want you to comment below, I can do this. You do it on your Facebook page, your Facebook profile, TikTok, it doesn't matter. All you do is you find people, you type in their first and last name.com and see if they bought it. Say, hey, I'm getting ready to purchase this domain. Do you want it? They want it. Yeah, I want it. Right? You give them your link and they're going to purchase every time. I get so many people to do this, it blows my mind. Now listen, if you want some help, if you want me to educate you, you want me to show you how to create $1 million product in 45 days, go here. I'll leave a link in the description below. Remember, you can do this. Remember to believe in yourself. Remember, repetition is the mother of skill. Even if you try it one time, try it again. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go.